Hello and good morning here at Bulubajangan Island, and we are off to go to the next island. It was high tide last night and we had a blast frolicking on the beach in these waters where it was glowing with planktons. Look at the long stretch of white sand. Well, it's not really white, but a golden kind of sand. So far we have spent less than 1,000 pesos for this awesome view and an awesome morning. That's traveling from Negros to Iloilo up to here. And off we go. Our next stop is wow! Ooh! Splashing! Yay! We're here! And you can see TAMBALIZA Bay, and this is Manaphag Mountain, and there's the little playground or Hampangan Kamay. This one is called Hampangan Nako, or the big playground. Yay! All for the sake of getting a great selfie. Hi! We are now at Opao Island, and we spent nothing here, it's for free. And we're packing up. Time for us to go back to the mainland. Opao is a quiet fishing island off the coast of Concepcion, and it's very near. We're leaving for the mainland. We spent practically nothing today because our meals were from supplies we bought yesterday, so we've counted that already. We just bought some Gatorade and some biscuits at the sari-sari store for a little over 100 pesos, and that's it. And I mean, they're making a boat. Interesting. As part of our 2K challenge, this is a happy birthday video! Yay! Happy birthday to you!
How old are you?
Happy birthday!
Happy
Yay! Tears of joy na muna mo, bisita! Yay! Goodbye! Time for us to leave Concepcion. This is the neighborhood. This is the neighborhood. We are now leaving Concepcion on our way to Iloilo, and as part of our not more than 2,000 peso challenge, we have a free ride. Yay! Thank you, ma'am, for the free ride. Yay! What a beautiful side trip. I'm now at the sunflower field here at Barotac Nuevo, and we experienced a slight earthquake. I didn't even feel it. We are here at Balay, Camiña, a 153-year-old house. Pinky up. And that was our day trip here in Arevalo. We are here now at Lapus Terminal Seaport, and we are counting our contribution in our 2,000 peso challenge. This ends our trip, and we spent this much for this trip. 32 pesos each. This is John and Mark with the Association of Negros Artists. See you in our next video. Bye for now.